So I've always been a big fan of the glowing Apple logo on the MacBooks, and unfortunately, Apple has completely removed the glowing or light up Apple logo from the back of the MacBooks. And from here on out, I don't think Apple will ever bring it back, but I've always wanted Apple to bring this glowing Apple logo to the iPhone, and many users have always wanted this feature, right? And this is something that isn't going to make your iPhone work any better, right? Or I don't think it will really take up a whole lot of battery, but it just isn't practical. So I don't think Apple will ever do this. However, many users would like to have a glowing Apple logo. A lot of you guys have always asked me how to get this done. Back in the day, there was kits where you could actually open up your iPhone with the iPhone 4, 4S, iPhone 5. You can open it up, connect the cables to the battery, and then replace your original Apple logo with a glowing one. And when you light up your iPhone or wake up your iPhone, the logo would actually light up. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys two cheap alternative, two options where you can go ahead and have a glowing Apple logo or a light up Apple logo, very cheap, and also you won't have to open your iPhone. All you have to do is purchase these and you're good to go. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, of course, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, for the first option, I wanted to share with you guys glow in the dark Apple logos. These are fairly cheap. You can buy about 4 or 5 of these for $3 to $4. Very, very affordable. But of course, this does not light up when you wake up your iPhone. This requires you to be in a light environment and then go to a dark environment. So maybe at night, if you're indoors, the sticker will actually absorb the light. And then if you go outside and it's nighttime, you'll be able to see the glow in the dark Apple logo again. But the actual specifications or the actual requirements are very specific. So I did stick one of these in the back of the iPhone 7 Plus. Let me go ahead and turn off the lighting here, and it absorbs the light from the studio, as you can see there. And when I turn off the light in the studio, you can see the glowing Apple logo. And of course, it will fade out over time, but it does absorb the light. As I mentioned, if it's nighttime and you're indoors and go outdoors and it's dark outside, then you'll be able to see this glow in the dark Apple logo. Of course, it's not going to work when you light up or wake up your iPhone, but this is a really, really cheap alternative to a glow in the dark Apple logo that you can buy for, I don't know, $5 or $6 for a couple of these stickers, as I mentioned. I'll try to link everything in the description down below, and there you guys have it. Very easy to stick on the back of your iPhone. You just peel them off like that and just stick them to the back of your iPhone. Something that doesn't really require any technical skill, right? Now, the next option is a glow in the dark Apple logo actual case. Now, this one I did find on eBay, super affordable. I think it was like $18 or $20 or so. And you can find this case on eBay. I'll try to link in the description. You have this little tab on the bottom for the lightning cable. This one does light up the Apple logo when you wake up your iPhone. It's made of this rubbery material, if you will, and the back is sort of a hard plastic. And this one's for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. They have them available for all iPhones. Here, let's go ahead and slide the iPhone right there inside of the case, and just like so. Now, all I have to do is grab this cable here. Of course, go ahead and plug it into the lightning, and once I do, you'll see that the Apple logo will light up. And it has different colors, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and tap on the actual icon to freeze the color that you want, or double tap to kind of change it. It has different patterns that you can play around with. You can tap and hold as well, depending on the colors that you want. So you can see right there, you can make the actual logos kind of freeze there in the color that you want, or just tap it to kind of switch it around just like so. It's a really cool, interesting concept here. And not only the Apple logo lights up, but also the iPhone text at the bottom of the screen there also lights up, as you can see right here. And all I have to do is just wake up my device, and the Apple logo sort of glows in the color that you sort of set it to. So it is a nice alternative to having to open up your iPhone and actually connect any wires or anything. I really like this option a lot. The case does look sleek. I really like the way the case looks as well. So these are just two simple alternative, two different options for you to get a glowing Apple logo on your iPhone with a very affordable budget, right? If you don't want to spend too much money, and without having to open up your iPhone and change anything within the actual hardware. Let me know what you think about this video. Do you like videos like this? I just wanted to make this one. I've been wanting to make this video for you guys for a very, very long time. I thought it was fun to do. Let me know in those comments down below. How do you feel about this one? Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.